says these psychic journeys tend to jump around a lot. That's why you need a good spiritual guide to lead you. No way, pal. You don't even know where you're going. Hey, a giant statue. What is it? Oh, sure, now you ask. This is your self-image. Ooh, I look cool. This is our chance to delve deep into our psyche and find the immutable truth. You can ask it one and only one question. Okay, one question. Check. How you doing?